Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Kalshi. It's really easy and simple. So the first things first, guys, what you want to do is you want to come to the Kalshi website, and then basically, guys, what you want to be doing is come here on the Kalshi website, and under transfers here, you're going to click on withdraw funds, okay? Then you just want to enter the amount that you want to withdraw and click on review, and you'll see the transaction amount. Once you're done, just click on submit and click on done, and basically the transaction will be done within 2 business days. And unless if it's for the first time, then what's going to happen, guys, they're going to actually hold uh past 10 days amount for withdrawal, okay, within 10 days. And then if you want to transfer to a different account, then it will take 90 days, guys, okay? It will take 90 days to withdraw to an account you didn't actually deposit from, okay? And if you want to withdraw, then you also need to verify your social security number, and your phone number needs to verify, guys, okay? And the last thing, guys, you can only withdraw something that is a minimum of $2. If you don't do these things, then the withdrawal will fail. Okay, it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button. If you're still having trouble, you can comment down below and I'll try to help you out, guys. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.